you have a ride.
Just Target.
We're here to get us a boat.
That's the mall, yes! I love the mall. It looks pretty old, but yeah, it's not bad. It's old. It looks like a haunted mall.
It looks like a haunted mall.
Mine's old.
Yeah, because it's surrounded by plants and vines. Like it's
I thought it would
covering
be nice.
the mall.
I thought it would be nice. It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
if
it
it's
looks
not
like an
mine.
old mall.
But why I said it doesn't matter if it's not mice. It might be born in the 80s. It might be built in the 50s.
Tingnan yung mall, Maring.
It looks old because it's surrounded by plants.
Savannah Mall. Tapos may ano siya, nag-rust na yung mga part ng mall. Tapos ang daming malalaking damo sa itaas dyan, mga vines. Ito yung mga boat nila na for sale. Wow. Magkano ito? 39,000. Oh my God, ang mahal. Ang ganda, oh. Grabe. So, ganito pala ang... Ano bang tawag dito? Hey, don't ride that, babe. Meron din silang mga golf cart. Ayan, Maring. So, anong tawag nito siya? Ranger. Command thrust 4-stroke outboard. Basta boat. Ayan. So, ilang tao makakasakay nito? 3? 3 lang? Yan, Maring, oh. So, dito magdadrive yung driver ng boat. Lily! Stay here, Lily! Ganda ng boat, Maring, oh. Tapos, ito siya may payong. No. Stay here. Wow! Grabe, ang laking to. Ito ba yung tawag na ponton? Come here. Wow, ang ganda nito, Maring. Ito pang pamilya. Marami talaga ang makakasakay.
Mommy, when we're going to the mall, we're gonna take
Easy payments. So, ito siya ay... Bakit Ranger pa rin ang pangalan? Basta 47,000 na lang siya. Wow. So, it move from $56,000. Ano na lang siya, Maring? 47,000. Nakasave ka daw ng $8,000. So, kung bibilhin mo to, ang monthly ay $422 a month. Wow, grabe. Ang ganda, Maring. Oh, ang laki. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Yeah.
It's so nice.
So big. Go down. Ang ganda ng boat. Right here.
Mercury.
Come here.
The builder.
Wow, meron din dito mga maliit na boat.
Ito
siya.
Everywhere.
Wow. Ganda naman. Maganda to sa Pinas, Maring, oh, kasi nga may mga malapit tayo sa beach. Wow. Ganda. Ito siya maliit. Magkano ba to? Ito tayo dito sa harap. This is $38,000. Parang presyo ng sasakyan. Ganda, oh, ang dami, Maring. Then, siya. Ganda ng butas in. Nandun na sila sa taas.
I like the Sun Tracker better.
What do you call this one? Pontoon?
Yes, the pontoon.
Oh my, akit tayo. Oh my God, why it feels like it's breaking?
It bends.
I'm okay, babe.
What's this? Ooh,
Fish.
it feels comfy.
Feels comfy. You feel rich.
Mommy, I really want to get this boat.
Wow, ang ganda naman ng boat.
Mommy, can we get this?
Wow. It'd be nice to have this in the Philippines. I'll ride this one. Well, the price is like a car price. That's nice. Then you sit here. Take a video of me. This is a family boat.
Mommy, I don't want to get this boat. Why don't we get that there? We go down there?
Yeah, you can go down there,
What's the
Mommy.
capacity of this? 10
Huh?
people?
I mean, yeah, probably. I like the other one better because it's got seats all the way around.
Because there's literally a freezer and the couch.
There's freezer in there? That's not a freezer. Alright, we gotta go. It's shaking. Go, 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 go. Oh, girl. It's shaking.
You go down.
Oh, there's a cup. Ang busy ng police. So, ito siya ay cheaper maring. Itong malaki ay 47,000. Ito naman siya ay 37,000. So, medyo maliit siya pero malaki pa rin tignan. Parang the same lang sila ng size. Pero bakit ang mahal ng isa? So, ito siya. Sun Tracker. Sun Tracker. Yan. Ganda ng mga boats. Grabe, ang dami. Wow. Ito siya ay 37,000. Ang ganda. So, ito yung ilalim ng boat. Parang saging. Banana boat.
This is more of a pleasure pontoon. The other one's more of a
Be
fishing.
careful, Lily. Don't lean on the door.
This is more of a pleasure pontoon, not really a fishing pontoon.
Just
Yeah, just getting out on the water.
getting out of the water.
I mean, you could put some rods up in
But
there.
it's got 2 seats here. Front. And then you
That's
got
why I like it because
where you drive
everybody
here. And the driver. And then
can 10 person.
another 10 person.
Right there says it was 10 person.
So 10 people. I'll be the driver. Ah! But
Okay.
you want me to be the driver?
Okay, stop these dramatic things.
We go turn.
Can I try?
Do you know how to drive a boat?
Can I try,
Yeah,
Mommy?
it's like driving a car.
Please, I
That's
want
like
to
that.
try.
It's scary. Don't put. It's huge. What do you call this? A speedboat?
This was pre-owned 32.
This is a speedboat?
No.
Oh no.
Dad, how do
Ito siya maring ay 32,000.
Mommy, can't
Dollars.
just look
Yamaha.
back and see if we can go on there. And see if there's any way that we can go on there.
So, ayan siya.
Wait,
Wow.
Ranger.
Nice.
Ranger.
The
How
Ranger.
much was that one over there?
47.
That was 47 over there?
Yeah, the other one 47, 37, and this is
Well, I mean,
47.
you can make a party barge a fucking fishing boat too.
Ranger. So, ibang design ito siya. Red. Tapos, wala siyang chair. Dito, wala siyang seat. So, maganda yung back-to-back, may seat. Stay here. So, dami dyan mga ano, oh. Wow! Grabe, ito 67,000. The same size lang sila nung 47. Ito siya ay ang Regency. Wow, bakit ang mahal nito? Para siyang luxury. Pang VIP ito siya mga maring. Ang ganda. Grabe, ang mahal. 67,000. Wow, Regency. Wow. Grabe yung mga seat niya, parang pang VIP. Ganda. Itong mga boats nila. Ito naman siya ay $33,000. Ito naman siya ay $50,000. Grabe, ang mahal. Sun Tracker. So, iba-iba. Ito naman siya 35,000. Bakit ang Bakit cheaper to kaysa dito? So, hindi ko alam. Basta ito siya, 35,000 maring. Wow, ganda oh. Ganda. Meron din doon ng speedboat. So, pasukin natin itong pinakamahal maring na $67,000. Pero kung bibilhin mo ay more than pa kasi may tax pa, no? Siguro mga 70. So, ito siya. Wow, grabe. Ang ganda ng mga seats. Parang pang ano talaga siya, oh. VIP. Luxury. Ayan. So, merong ano dito. Hindi ko alam ano yan. Yan yung driver's seat. Tapos, may seat dyan para sa mga passengers. At meron din dito. Ay, maganda ang ano na to. Maganda ang area na to. Kung mag-uupo. At meron din dito sa likod. So, dalawa. So, magkano tao ba? 12 person ang capacity. Ayan siya. 12 persons or 1,700 pounds. Kumikintab. Ang ganda ng steering wheel. Ito siya. Meron siyang ano, parang screen dyan. Yung iba walang screen. So, lagyan ng ano dito, drinks. Ang ganda naman. Tapos, merong ano dito, para siyang payong. Shield. Tapos dito naman yung isa dyan. Di ko alam magkano yan. Basta, oh, ito siya ay 33,000. Alo, cheaper ito, oh. 33,000 siya maring. Yung kabila. Same lang, may dalawang seat sa likod. May dalawang seat sa gitna. At saka, ayan, facing seats. So, ito siya ay cheaper. 33,000. Pero ito siya, napakamahal. I don't know why.
It smells like cookies.
It's cookie. It's not.
What's this?
This is-
Daddy, do not go in
This is
Daddy,
money right
Daddy, do not
Yeah,
go
yeah.
in there because there's water.
Yeah. Well, that's a
Yeah.
live well.
It's so expensive. This is like a
Mommy,
house
there's
price.
water. What is this fish?
There's water under.
What?
It's
Woo!
a live well.
What is that for?
Where you put your fish.
Oh. When you catch fish.
Yeah.
That's where you put it.
There's a mosquito on you. There's a mosquito.
Ah, that's 33. Kaya pala mura ito maring dahil pre-owned. Used pala ito. Kaya pala. Ayan siya. $33,000 pre-owned. So may mga gasgas na yung kaniyang mga body. Yan. So ito siya ay sobrang brand new. Ito talaga oh. Grabe, ang ganda. 2024 ito year. Year 2024 na model. At meron din ditong speedboat. Speedboat? Is this speedboat?
No, these aren't speedboats.
What is that?
These are pleasure boats and fishing boats.
Fishing and pleasure boats. And meron din dito, wala siyang ano, atop. Mas maganda yung may atop. Para hindi masyadong mainit. Ayan. So, dalawa lang makakasakay. So, only two people can get in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you can sit back. People can sit back here, or sit up there on the deck.
Damn, you bought this big thing, so expensive. Only two people can get in.
Three. There's a seat right front, right here.
Uh,
There's a seat up front.
so 3 or 4 people maybe.
You,
What is
you,
this?
you can catch all the bugs through it.
95?
Yeah. It's
Why is this so expensive?
those fishing boats are expensive.
So 2024 Ranger. Grabe.
You can see these.
Bahay na to maring, $95,000. Fishing boat pala, ayan. So, para siyang social na fishing boat. Yan. Grabe. Ito naman yung ano, simple lang siya, oh. Sa loob. Yan yung loob niya. Wala siyang ano, roof. So, mainit talaga. Ayan, so meron siyang mga ano dyan sa loob. Di ko alam, mga storage siguro to. Magkano ba ito? Ito siya ay $56,000. Grabe, ang mahal. 2024. Yan oh, mahal. Mas mahal pa to kaysa mga malalaking pontoon boat na parang pang pamilya na marami ang makakasakay. Ito siya maring, grabe. Mahal pala lang mga boats. Meron din sila ditong golf cart. Is this a golf cart? Or a... Yeah, I think so. Ito siya ay $14,000. Ayan. Maganda to sa mga maputik na lugar. Off-road. Ayan. Ayan sila. 14. Ito siya $19,000. So, para na rin siyang almost pang sasakyan na prices. Trucker, off-road. Ayan. Ganda. Ito naman siya, $17,000. Ito siya, $15,000. Maganda siya, para siyang mini truck. Kasi may malalagyan ka sa likod. Ayan, oh. Mag-ano ka, mang-haul ka ng feeds ng ano. Mostly ito nakikita ko sa mga neighbors namin. Meron silang ganito. Mostly ito ginagamit sa farm. Pag haul ng mga hay, sa mga feeds. Ayan, ginagamit nila ito. Sa mga dirt roads. Meron din ito. Clearance, $7,000. Hala. Wow, this is cheap. $7,000, cheaper than the others. 2024 black. Pero wala siyang windshield. Ito siya meron. So $7,000 siya maring. Wala siyang door. Open na open. Pero meron din siyang ano dito, storage sa likod, parang malalagyan ng mga gamit. So, ito siya. Parang 3 person lang ang makakasakay. 3 person. At dito naman ay 2 person. Ayan. Drive ka. Wala, maganda ito kay covered. Na-covered ito siya. Wow, ito marami, parang 6 person ang makakala. 6 person. What? Madami ito. May ano pa siya, para talaga siyang sasakyan na truck. Meron siya ganito, yung door niya. Hindi naman glass, para lang siyang tarpaulin. Ano ba to? Plastic. Ayan. So, ayan yung yung kanyang likod. At ang harap. So, ito siya maring ay $24,000. Wow. Ganda. Ito na lahat. So, nandito ito sa Savannah, Georgia, mga maring. Hanggang tingin lang muna tayo, maring, dahil hindi natin ma-afford ito. Napakamahal. Ang gaganda. What do you call that? Golf cart?
Yeah.
That's only $7,000. It's on clearance. The small one.
Now is it open?
Yeah, but that's only 2 people riding in there.
Yeah. That one right there is 6 people. That right there. But it's 24,000. Off-road. Off-road golf carts. But you can't drive this in the highway.
Yeah.
It's only in the off-road. It's not allowed kasi hindi safe, mga maring. Pwede naman sa Yeah, hindi siya safe i-drive sa highway. Pang ano lang to siya mga maring mga back roads, off-road, country roads.
Minutes until it's open.
Maybe 30 minutes. Oh yeah. Hello maring, nandito tayo ngayon sa mall. So sa loob ng mall meron siyang library, bookstore, Barnes and Noble na bookstore. So nandito tayo sa bookstore mga maring. Ang grabe, ang daming mga books. But that looks like a fun book. Let me see what the title. What is that? Dork.
Yeah, it's all dark.
Let me see. So ito yung book maring oh. Ang ganda ng book na to, para siyang semi-comic. So ayan, maganda yung bookstore. Meron siyang ano dito, parang picture booth. Pwede kang magbasa dito. Mag-ano ka dyan, magtambay muna para magbasa ng libro kahit hindi ka naman bibili. Babasahin mo lang siya dito. Yan, marami. Merong mga books.
Come here.
Ayan.
Lily's reading a chapter book.
Yeah, Lily is reading. What are you reading, baby girl? Huh?
This is a chapter book. It's a long book.
Oh, that is a fun book. How do meerkats order pizza?
This one.
That is nice. You wanna read it?
On the tables are where you can see or where you can see and read.
Ito yung maganda, maring oh. Nung high school ako, mahilig ako magbasa ng mga libro, pero yung mga ano lang, comics. Ito siya, maganda ito na libro, Dork Diaries. Ayan. Tapos, may ganito. What's that? Dogman. Para din siyang comic style na libro. Yan yung, ito yung mga libro na gustong basahin. Yung may picture ba? Ayoko ng puro words lang. Mas fun kasi kapag may mga picture, illustration, ganyan. Ganda siya. Madami dito mga pambata. Kahit anong klaseng libro gusto mo. Dito na side ay ang pambata. So, merong How to Train Your Dragon na libro. Yan. Dragons. Hello, si Archie. You found where? You got it. Huh?
I love reading.
She said she loved reading.
What? These are your favorite books?
Yeah, this is my favorite. This is the book I used to read in high school. Si Archie na comic books, mga maring, nandito siya.
You were
Si
finding those?
Archie. Yan. Isa siyang comics. So, ito yung lagi kong binabasa nung high school ako. Para siyang comedy. I think this is ito yung laman niya. Ganda. So, how much is this?
They're $10 a piece.
$10 each?
Yeah, 4 books.
She likes get the Meerkat, Lily. The comic one. Because you already have, Sue.
Which one are you getting, man? Go get the book.
I have no idea what I'm getting. I'm just looking.
So, kukunin ko ang libro na ito, maring, dahil matagal ko na itong hinahanap na libro na comics. So, marami pala itong mga series.
Here, hold the book.
The yellow one? Glam TV Star? The one with kissing scene?
No. There's no kisses. They didn't really kiss.
Watching the kissy kisses.
I would say you get the purple one. This is like about the bully girls and the nice girl. That one. Thorpe.
Look, there's the kissing. They're kissing.
They're not
They're about to kiss.
Wait.
The Magic of Unicorn. What are these games? It looks like a stamp. Saturday afternoon. Oh, puzzle.
What's happening? Blue and
Mandala. I don't know what that is. Meron sila ditong ano. Camping puzzle. Different types of game boards. Jenga. You like Jenga, Lily? Bingo. Spelling bee. Bingo. Domino. Meron silang mga toys dito. Maring mga Lego. Yan ang mga Lego. Tsaka dito na side din ay board puzzles. Iba't ibang klaseng puzzles. Jumanji. Alam, meron sila Jumanji. The classic game. Magkano ba to? $19 siya maring si Jumanji.
Don't go to the roof, okay?
Jumpy! You gotta jump!
Hold on the road. Hold on when you go up. When you go
She's like, oh, I saw it.
I never did.
You gotta jump. You gotta jump. Riley, jump, do a flip. Just kidding. Jump. There you go. Keep bouncing. When you hit the ground.